Hi there, how do we build agents? Let me talk about the top 5 design patterns involved in agent building. The first design pattern is a single agent. You send a question to a large language model, it answers. Nothing fancy about it. But the model only knows what it was trained on. So if you ask a question such as, what's the weather right now? The agent will freeze. Every model has got a knowledge cutoff. So enter the second design pattern, which is the ReAct, which stands for reasoning and acting. The reasoning is done by the large language model. When it cannot find an answer on its own, it reaches out for a tool. The tool fetches information the model doesn't have. For example, like the current weather. It's elegant, but it will not scale well if you have very large number of tools. So enter the third design pattern, which is the router multi-agent pattern. It is based on a very simple philosophy that you should stop making one agent do all the work. Instead, you have specialist agent, each one focused on one domain, and each one with its own specialized tools. A classifier reads the incoming query, picks the right specialist, and then hands off. This is a very solid setup, but the inconvenience is that the specialist cannot collaborate with each other. So enter the fourth design pattern, which is the supervisor multi-agent pattern. Here, the specialist can collaborate to finish a very complex task. Based on the query, the supervisor decides the sequence of steps, invokes the right specialist, takes the result and passes it to the next specialist. It will loop this until the task is fully done. Now let us see the fifth design pattern, which is the reflection. This is very useful for content creation. A generator agent produces a response, a critic agent reviews it, proposes changes and sends the work back to the generator. And this loops until the critic is satisfied. So those were the 5 important design patterns for building agents. If you want to try them out, you can do so on my platform datajarvis.ai. Go ahead and select the app called as Agent Builder and you'll be able to try out all these design patterns. Thank you for watching.